Hey mama, Jennifer with the Mama Goat. How about we make a matcha superfood skin smoothie? So, banana, first ingredient, banana. You know I love a good banana. Bananas add moisture to our skin, super loaded with vitamin A and super loaded with potassium. Next, we have matcha. Matcha is really great for relieving stress of the skin. If you're experiencing any sort of hormonal acne, it's great for that. And it also slows down cellular aging. So we love matcha, right? And then we're going to add some spinach. Spinach is really good, but you can also use kale. I'm going to use spinach in mine. But spinach is loaded with vitamin C, it's loaded with vitamin A, and it's just a really good, super rich nutrient that is super yummy for our skin. So why not add some greens? We can always use extra greens, right? And then I'm going to add some pineapple. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C. Pineapple helps with promoting collagen. Pineapple is also super, super good for the elasticity of our skin. And then you know your girl loves oat milk. Oat milk helps to blend things up, keep it super creamy. It's yummy, but it's also great for skin repair. So why don't you say we mix these ingredients up and make our skin smoothie? First, we'll take one banana and chop it up. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of your Matcha Green Tea Powder, followed by a handful of fresh ripe pineapple, another handful of organic spinach. We'll add a half a cup of oat milk. We're going to take everything and blend it all up until creamy and smooth. For texture, I wanted to add cocoa nibs, cashews, and fresh berries. I have blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. So I'm about to get into this bowl. I hope that you try it. I hope that you love it. I would love to hear your thoughts. All this goodness, all these nutrients, your skin is about to be on point. I'll see you next time.